Guys, I'm making puree. This is puree. Here guys, my puree. Yeah. Together with this and this. Very nice. Puree and palak paneer. Hello guys, good morning. Today I prepare palak paneer masala. This is the paneer, palak, grind palak, and coriander or parsley. That's green chili, tomato, and onion. And there's the masala. That's the palak, guys. I grind it, then become like this. I grind in the mixer. So let's go, guys. Let's cook my palak paneer masala. Here guys, I already cut all the ingredients I need. And that's my ginger masala. Ayan guys. So guys, let's swirl. Next, ginger garlic paste. Next is the tomato. Tulad ng sinabi ko guys, lagyan natin ng konting tubig para maluto yung tomato. Takpan natin siya para mas mabilis siyang maluto. Now we put the chili. Now guys, I put the masala here. So I have to mix it. Put a little bit salt to taste and a little bit sugar. That's the aroma taste, sugar. In the meanwhile, soak the cashew nut in milk for 30 minutes. Now I remove from the fat that I fried just now. Let it cold and grind. In a meanwhile, put butter on the pan. Put butter on the pan and sweat it. After that, we need to put a little bit of jeera. Guys, this is the masala, the tomato and onion that I fry. Need to grind. After grind, we need to put inside. Ayan na siya guys. Already boiled, so we need to put the palak. Here the palak, grind palak. We need to mix it until boil. Paborito kasi ito ng alaga ko. This is my alaga's favorite. In a meanwhile, I need to grind the cashew paste. Now guys, this is the cashew paste or cream. Now guys, it's boiling. Need to put the paneer. And then I cover guys until hanggang maluto na siya. After that, then I put this cream. Huwag po nating kalimutang ihalo for every second para hindi kumapit yung paneer. Ito na po siya. Ilagay na natin yung cream na ginawa ko. Gatas yan at saka cashew. Look the color. Ang kulay. See? Amazing. Yummy. Yan po, luto na siya. Ilagay natin sa ibabaw niya yung coriander powder. Coriander leaves pala. Yan. Sarap. Remember to tikman and then lagyan ng asin to taste. Salt for taste. Pero ako hindi na kasi okay na yung lasa niya.